Hi guys, welcome back to another video from me and my pets TV. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. We thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate it. Goodbye. Let's get into the video.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, on today's video we'll be looking on the parrots. So guys, remember me telling you, I'll show a video of how them pull cage. So for the longest while they have been out of their cage. So first we had them in a green cage where they constantly pull and come out. Then we'll place them in a white cage. You know, that's the same thing, they pull it and come out. And so we did leave them out for a while, but you notice what happened? What happened while they were out is that other cage in the pen started to pull, like the video I did about the cockatiel cage being open, the prison break cockatiel video. So it came to our understanding that they were the culprit. They were the one that actually opened all the other pens, because they would go there and use their beak over and over until the pen fly open. And I think that because they want to play with them, because when the other birds are out of their cage, they tend to pick at them. So it wasn't a friendly thing why they might open the cage. So now we decide, say, a time for we put them up, and again we change them cage. So let's see how it all work out. Alright guys, please remember to like, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell to be notified each time of videos.